Welcome to Small Toy.
Hi, my name is Bob and I love ships. I play with toy ships and dream of setting sail one day. Come, let's plan a journey through the seas. We will go to icy mountains, deep forests, the hot desert, and make friends with animals on the way. First, I will sail through the Arctic Ocean to Greenland. It is so cold here. It is like this all year round. And then I will sail through the Atlantic Ocean to South America. Here, I will tumble around in the tropics and walk through the vast Atacama Desert. Hopping back on my ship, I will reach Africa. Here, I will befriend giraffes and mighty lions. Then I will sail on to Antarctica. Here I will slide on snowy slopes with penguins. Zoom! On and on to Australia, where I will bounce around with many kangaroos. Then I will come back home, flying the flag of my ship high, and wait for another adventure.